In this episode of Sailing Doodles, we leave Koh Phi Phi behind and set sail 15 miles to Koh Maithon.
It's really freaking hot.
Thank you so much to our patrons for making this channel possible. We could not do this without you. And please check out chartercatamaran.com to charter this boat or another boat in Phuket. Kind of getting a late start this morning. I had to edit all morning. It's a little after 10. How you doing, Laura?
Fabulous.
I wish I had got it on camera getting in the dinghy last night to come back to the boat. She fell in the water. Like, yeah, like not just like a, oh, slip. I mean like all the way in the water twice. Anyway, so we are heading out today. We got about 15 miles to go to the next island. Unfortunately, there's only 7 knots of wind right now and it's forecast to drop off to literally 0 within a couple hours. So we probably won't be able to sail today, and it's downwind too. So probably not much in the way of sailing today, but we gotta keep on moving on. It was nice. It was nice here. How'd you like Phuket? Phi Phi Island. Koh Phi Phi. How'd you like it?
It was great. I mean, the fire show was absolutely amazing.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
Definitely have to see that.
It's very commercial. I wish I think I've said it a million times already. Wish I could have seen it 20 or 30 years ago, but.
Careful for those buckets of booze though.
Yeah, they're pretty strong. It was 2-for-1 buckets of, like a bucket of booze, like literally a bucket. And it was like, yeah.
It makes you fall out of the dinghy twice.
So. Before leaving, we have to pull up the anchor. Okay, for those that don't know, on a catamaran, what you do is you actually have a bridle, so you have 2 lines that come out and make a bridle and go to the chain, and hook onto the chain. That way, when you're coming back, the swing is on both ends of each pontoon, and that way you kind of pivot less, you stay more into the wind, and it's just safer all in general. So what you have to do is you have to pull that up and disconnect it before you can pull in the rest of the chain. So, madam?
Gadget girlfriend?
Yes. Oh, watch out.
I see a pedicure in my future.
Okay, go ahead. And stop. Stop! Stop! Alright, now while she's pulling it up, I'm gonna go motor into the chain so that the windlass is not pulling us forward, it's the motor pulling us forward. The windlass is just pulling the chain up. With the anchor up, it was time to motor out of the bay at Koh Phi Phi. We left Koh Phi Phi and it was 15 miles to Koh Maithon.
You always searching for a better thing, wanna replace me. I'm in a place that I've never been. It's worse than lonely.
The resort at Koh Maithon had been closed for many years and only recently reopened, and it was said to be very nice.
I got doubts, yeah. Sometimes I wanna risk it all. Since you left me, struggle, baby, I see pain. Cause I got nothing. Can someone tell me they see good in me? There's good in me. Cause I got doubts, I got doubts, I got doubts, yeah. Ooh, isn't it strange we turn to strangers? You've erased all your pictures on your phone.
All right, this is Koh Maithon. It's hot, there's not much wind. Let's get in the water.
Ready.
Tell me there's good in me. Cause I got doubts, I got doubts. Tell me there's good in me. Cause I got
Ooh, there's some current. Whoa. Yeah. Boy, yeah, you don't want to. You may not make it back. Oh. Wow, that's a good amount of current. Probably not a good idea to swim out here. Since there was too much current to swim, we decided to take the kayaks ashore and check out the resort. It looked like the resort was trying to make their own artificial reef.
Isn't it strange we turn to strangers? You've erased all your pictures on your phone. Your final words on a piece of paper. I don't love you anymore.
Pretty swank place, has their own helipad and stuff. Yeah. Well, it's a cool spot, but unfortunately we were just told it's 2,500 baht just to walk in, which is like $75 just to, really? We were buying beer, we were spending money here, and then they came in and say, oh, you gotta pay a fee.
This is why no one's here.
Yeah, well, we're leaving then, so. We could have bought more beer from you, we could have had dinner and spent money here and maybe earned you something, but nope. That was really cool. I've never seen him at anchor before. I couldn't get the camera out in time. A boat came by and scared him away. Dolphins right here, right next to the boat. Really cool.
Super close.
And I'm not sure if the audio came out when I recorded it on the GoPro at shore. We were sitting there and we had a couple beers of water. We're hanging out at the little lounge restaurant area, and they come up and say, sorry sir, it's a 2,500 baht, which is $75 just to be on the island. Who knows? I mean, dinner and drinks and all that, we probably would have spent $50, $60, but now they get nothing from us and bad publicity.
Come and tell me what to do, 'cause I'd do anything for me. You get me up and get me through. Oh, 'cause as the seasons fade,
Really freaking hot.
It's hot here in the tropics. You gotta do what you gotta do, like cooking topless.
You're topless.
I am.
they taste like hollow wine.